Good morning, PFA! Aloha! Allow me to read my notes so I will not lose my thoughts. My name is Bebelita Pinsoy, under Agis hierarchy of the Team Royal Successors. I want to share a journey filled with perseverance, determination, and incredible potentials lies within each of us. 5 years ago, I started my PFA journey, and after 26 years as a registered nurse, I made a transformative decision to retire my nursing career 2 years ago, and recently able to retire my husband from his second job. But a lucky husband, right? He's not here today. So anyway, today I want to emphasize the power of ascending beyond the status quo. Each of us has the capacity to reach our highest potential. We must challenge ourselves to ascend our dreams towards the stars. As we work with potential clients, we face a crucial competition against time and circumstances. A few weeks ago, a client reached out to me. He was from East Coast. He wanted to buy a policy, but I presented to him a year ago. He's a doctor of physical therapy, owns a clinic in the East Coast. He was so busy back then. But he was not ready until he called me and he said he's ready to buy. And I asked, what changed your mind? And he said, he just got the diagnosis of prostate cancer. Can I still apply for it? And unfortunately, I said no. So this is how our mission, our responsibility to the community, we are competing with time. As a nurse for 26 years, I saw all these scenarios. It hurt me so bad seeing all these family problems, relationships had been broken because of medical crisis. So, also this past Thanksgiving week, I want to share also a poignant story from the very close friend of mine. The mother also is an agent. He lost his only son because of vehicular accident and died on the spot. Now, it hurts me a lot because she's very close to me. And because of these instances, life is so unpredictable. Every day is a blessing. So us agents, it's a helping people business. So be proud because what we do here also pleases God. So we're making investments in heaven. So be proud of what we do. Our success is a collaborative journey. We must lead by example and guide our team members to see the fullest potential. We create an environment where everyone can ascend to new heights. With my passion and dedication as a nurse before, I was nominated by my director of the company as the Hawaii's Healthcare Hero and received a certificate for that recognition. And not only that, I also was nominated and received a recognition as the best employee of the quarter. And what I got is a bag of goodies and also a gift card of Starbucks. And not only that, I also received a pin, a company's pin, for serving 5 years in the company in the last hospital I worked. Don't get me wrong, I know there's a lot of nurses here. I love what I do, but in here, I love also the passion and continue to help understanding and achieving goals. So thank you to all my dean,